Hello, welcome to Oracle Apex Master Detail. Actually, we have already have three types of master detail which are built in Oracle Apex, but but in this video we are going to talk about the customized version of Oracle Apex master detail in Oracle Apex. The first thing is that we need to have a table. For example, let me create a table, asset master table and asset detail table. And here asset ID is the primary key, and here asset master ID is the foreign key, which that after that I create a foreign key and refers to the master ID. Okay, first of all, let me run this HR payroll. Okay, and after that, let me execute this trigger. Okay, okay, trigger is also created, and let me create another table. Execute this table. So okay, this table is also created, and let me create foreign key. Okay, payroll asset detail table and residence structure asset table master budget asset master table ID. All table is master reference which are asset table. Okay, invalid identifier ID. MST payroll asset. And asset I will say asset master ID. Okay, now let me alter this. Okay, later on we will create this one, and let me execute this. Okay, this is also created, and come to asset detail table constraint. If the constraint is not created, we can create like this, and foreign key, and asset master ID is a foreign key, disallow delete. And what is the table here? Asset. Okay, HR detail table master table. Okay, in master table we need to add this one and this one, and now add this one. Finish. It means the foreign key is also created. Before, I think in that alter statement it was some error. Okay, now we come to the oh sorry, here Apex and master detail and create page, interactive report. Interactive report include form page as well, and form page as well should be, and okay, asset and asset. Okay, asset. The first master detail. Next, the primary key is ID. Yes, okay. Okay, asset. I think this one model page. Okay, this I needed just normal page, and this I need as a main model dialog page. Okay, when I click this on, and it has to open this one. I have a form and process automatic row processing DML, and here we will create. Okay, I have to hide these because that is not needed, and we have to start new. Come here, the first one, this here. Okay, return. Sorry, that was here. We need this here. Okay. Oh, switch by default. So this can be now. It is just select list. Will later on we will select list. Okay, I have to select in that is the width is 60%. Okay, now it will be open like this. Okay, I have to get it down. Now it is fine. Real. Okay, now it is fine. These things I have to use. I prefer to use optional template and use stretch. And for this asset, I have to use tender body pairing and remove border. Okay. Okay, here one thing is right label alignment. Left I want. Okay, now it is fine. And later and below I have to create another region. Sorry, region detail, and that should be interactive grid. Interactive grid, I have to select asset detail. When I select asset detail and interactive report, no standard, and a removed padding and remove border, no, and header, this one, and okay. And for detail, I have to hide these. Let me load this. Okay, now it is coming. I have to hide this because it's coming on trigger. This is a primary key, and which is coming on trigger, and SR which is not coming, and this is the master port key, and I have to select attribute and edit enable because I want it to be enabled to edit, delete, update, add row. Okay, For this, to select actions, I do not want these. Let me reload frame. So it will look like this. Okay, now I have to come here, both label save icon, normal family, okay, and fa save use. Okay, for cancel, for delete, we will select danger and F eraser. For cancel, we will select warning, window close off. Okay, this icon I will use for this. When I create new record, and it will look like that. By default, I do not want empty row. So for this, I have to come here, detail, attribute, add a row fmt. No, I do not want that. By default, it should be empty. Okay. Now I create a button to add a record, empty record, not region, edit, position edit, okay, hot, and primary, okay, and if it plus is the icon for this. Dynamic action and add row, and we use JavaScript code for adding row, JavaScript, and I have a code. Okay, sorry, I don't. Okay. Okay, I will show you an to add row, and on here add empty row using JavaScript. Look at it. Selection add row. We will use this one. Selection add row. Here, detail mean the static ID of the interactive grid. Detail is the static ID of this, and okay. And I have to put static ID here. Detail. Save. Okay, let me test it. I have to enter it. Yes, that means the empty row is added. For this, I have to create one page item, which is mode, and the header item. It has to create, update, and delete the master records. So before this, and we need to payload dynamic action and add set ID. Show set value SQL, select max, and sorry, and VL max ID 0 plus 1. It means that I want it is 0, so it will add plus 1. If it is 3, it will 1. It will add 1 like this. From HR role that I want to insert ID and special. Sorry, I do not want submit because that is page load. Okay, page load should based on what item is equal to which item. The bound item is equal to A. If the mode item is A, so it will add, it will generate value. Otherwise, it will not. So, okay. Uh, Come to dynamic action. Before page submit, this set pk or yeah, a set must empty id. For this, in order to, so when we submit a page, so we need to add master ID to the detail automatically. For this, we use this JavaScript code. And JavaScript. ID, we have to ID. And here I have I set ID, your ID, okay. And detail is great. So it means that this item value is set to the main detail table, a grid, which is detail static ID, and the set as at the foreign key, and this in this value because this we store the page item here, and then after that then. So it will be done after submit. We'll wait. I mean, we'll check it. Now it will not work because the thing is that I didn't pass any value. When I create a new record, I have to A. I have to pass A to mode. And when I in the update, so I have to mode V. Okay. Okay, let's try on this. For example, one employee ID and one is approved ID. And this commonly we use select list, and so that's why date requested 31 and date required after date requested 31, third date required returned. Sorry, and status. Okay, serial number is 1, item number is 1, and request 5, and status is Y. If when I select save, okay, session state protection violations. So for this, I have to come here, this one, and value protected, and check on required session value unrestricted. Now save. Okay, still it is not working. I have to refresh. For these date return and date requested, I have to edit most of them. This is 32. I need to put 60. And for this is switch is fine. Sorry, box is fine. Okay. Okay, one is the employee ID, one is approved ID, and third one return date is this, and status is one, for example, serial item one, for example, and 520, and status is okay. Unable to create initial extent for segment and table space apex master extent. Okay, we need to check the process here. The process. Okay, we need to remove this one process. Okay, it is fine, and this is also fine. And this two, they are fine. You're fine. Okay, and let me check this one now. One, 31, 31 is the return ID of the next month, and add refill number one, requested 5. Okay. Unable to create initial extent for segment and table space. Okay, for this we need to delete some data because I think that our table space is full. Truncate, finish. Customers, data, and I have to truncate. Customer later, truncate. Records, truncate, finish. Okay, now we'll try on this. The row is created because that was reason of not having not having memory in our main free workspace, so that was reason. Okay, after this when I create a new record I have to come to the page this one 19. So for this I have to come here and after process branch go to page 19. 19. Okay. And second thing is that in detail I have to use I set mst id is equal to page id. This one. detail, come to attribute. I want to remove all these things. I do not want these. So come and toolbar. Now I reload. Okay, in the next video I think it is enough for this video, and in the next we will add some validations in this, and we'll add delete button, and we'll create this because how to delete all the both records. So in the next we will do that. Thank you so much.